Turning your paycheck into real wealth. Simple steps to financial freedom. What's up, everyone? It's Tabish. And look, we all work hard for our money, right? But what if I told you that you could take your paycheck, that same paycheck you're getting right now, and turn it into something more, something that could set you up for a future of real financial freedom? Join me as I take on the challenge of turning my paycheck into real wealth using just a few simple steps. Turning your paycheck into wealth, it sounds like a dream, right? But it's not just a pipe dream. With the right mindset and a few simple strategies, anyone can take their hard-earned paycheck and turn it into real, long-term wealth. It's not about hitting the lottery or becoming an overnight success, it's about making smart choices today that will pay off big time down the road. In this video, I'm going to break down my personal plan to transform my paycheck into a source of lasting wealth. We're talking actionable steps, practical tips, and real-world strategies that you can implement starting right now. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building a brighter financial future, buckle up and let's get started. Crushing debt, your first step to wealth. Alright, let's be real for a second. Debt is a huge wealth killer. It's like this anchor weighing you down, preventing you from reaching your full financial potential. Whether it's credit card debt from those too good to resist sales, student loans that feel like they'll follow you forever, or even that mortgage payment that takes a huge chunk out of your paycheck every month, tackling debt head-on is non-negotiable. Now I know what you might be thinking. Easier said than done, Tabish. And trust me, I get it. But here's the thing. Even small steps in the right direction can make a huge difference. Start by creating a detailed list of all your debts, including interest rates and minimum payments. Then explore different debt repayment strategies like the snowball method, where you focus on paying off the smallest debts first to gain momentum, or the avalanche method, where you prioritize high-interest debts to save more on interest charges. Remember, getting out of debt isn't about deprivation. It's about being strategic with your money. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. So are you ready to break free from the chains of debt and start building a solid foundation for real wealth? Let's do this. Budget like a boss, the secret sauce to financial freedom. Let's talk about budgeting. I know. For some of you, the B word might sound about as appealing as a root canal. But trust me on this one, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself or living like a monk. It's about taking control of your money and making it work harder for you. Think of it this way. A budget is like a financial roadmap, guiding you towards your financial destination. It helps you track your income and expenses, identify areas where you might be overspending, and free up more cash flow to put towards your financial goals. Now, creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. Start by tracking your spending for a month. You can use a budgeting app, a simple spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. Once you have a clear picture of where your money is going, you can start setting realistic spending limits for different categories like housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. The key here is to be honest with yourself and identify areas where you can potentially cut back. Maybe it's eating out less and cooking more at home, or downsizing to a cheaper phone plan. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest in your future. Chapter 3. Start small, win big, the power of consistent saving and investing. Now that you've tackled your debt and have a solid budget in place, it's time to put your money to work for you through the magic of saving and investing. Here's the thing, you don't need to be rolling in dough to start investing. In fact, even small, consistent contributions can add up to significant wealth over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. It starts small, but as it gathers more snow, it grows exponentially larger. The first step is to establish an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net, there to cover unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs without derailing your financial progress. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a high-yield savings account so your money can earn interest while still being easily accessible. Once your emergency fund is in place, you can start investing for the long term. A great starting point is a 401k or Roth IRA, especially if your employer offers a matching contribution. That's free money, people. If you're comfortable with a bit more risk and have a longer time horizon, consider investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs. Chapter 4. Unlocking Investment Opportunities, Your Path to Financial Freedom. Let's dive a little deeper into the world of investing. I know it can seem intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to start small, educate yourself, and gradually increase your investment knowledge and confidence. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint, and the earlier you start, the more time you have to let your money grow. One of the easiest and most accessible ways to start investing is through your employer-sponsored retirement plan, like a 401k or 403(b). These plans allow you to contribute pre-tax dollars, which can significantly lower your tax bill. Plus, many employers offer a matching contribution, which is essentially free money. If your employer doesn't offer a retirement plan or you're self-employed, you can open an IRA, individual retirement account, like a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. Beyond retirement accounts, consider exploring other investment options like low-cost index funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or even real estate. Index funds and ETFs offer instant diversification by spreading your investment across hundreds or even thousands of stocks or bonds, while real estate can provide passive income and potential appreciation. Chapter 5. Harnessing the power of compound interest. Watch your wealth grow exponentially. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful forces in finance: compound interest. Albert Einstein is rumored to have called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for a good reason. Compounding is like magic. It's the process of earning interest on your interest, and it can turn small, consistent investments into a substantial nest egg over time. Think of it this way. If you invest $100 today at a 10% annual return, you'll have $110 after 1 year. But here's where the magic happens. In year 2, you're not just earning interest on the original $100, you're earning interest on $110, and so on and so forth. Over time, this snowball effect can lead to exponential growth in your wealth. The key to harnessing the power of compound interest is to start early and be consistent. The earlier you begin investing, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, the power of compounding can turn those small contributions into a significant sum over the long term. Remember, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing, so start today and let compound interest work its magic. There you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from conquering debt and budgeting like a pro to exploring different investment opportunities and harnessing the incredible power of compound interest. Remember, turning your paycheck into real wealth isn't about getting rich quick schemes or overnight success stories. It's about making smart, informed choices consistently over time. Thanks for joining me on this journey to turn my paycheck into real wealth. If you've got thoughts or questions, please share them in the comments below. I'm genuinely invested in helping you achieve your financial goals, so don't hesitate to reach out and connect with me. And don't forget to tune into my next video, where I'll be sharing some smart investing strategies to help you grow your wealth even faster. We'll be diving deeper into specific investment options, exploring different risk tolerance levels, and discussing how to build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals. Until then, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep crushing those financial goals.